Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to Stamp Club Reveal for May of 2026. I'm so excited to show you this set, but I have to tell you something. I don't have any samples today. My plan was to come in today, make some samples, and share them with you. But since I've gotten here, our bad weather, they've moved it up. It's coming sooner, so I can't stay in the studio. And if I don't film this now, you won't get to see it. So I'm going to show you the set today, and then we're going to use it in Made It Society. What? You don't know what Made It Society is? Well, let me tell you about it real quick. The first Saturday of every month, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, on my channel, we do a live stream called Made It Society. Now, if you sign up for our text and emails, that will get you the information for what we'll be doing that month, so you can literally craft along with me for a couple hours on that Saturday morning, and I would love to have you there. We've done 3 so far, and I'm excited for next month's. And we'll be using this set, and we'll also use our scripture set, and then we usually make a scrapbook layout together. So I'd love to have you join. But you want to know about this, and I want to tell you, because oh my goodness, it's adorable. Here's what happened. We made a goose set, and it was super, super cute, and we were loving on the goose set, and I said something to Sylvia along the lines of, well, aren't you a crafty goose? And we both looked at each other and went, we need crafty goose. So check this out. We did crafty goose. Come on, you guys. This fits us perfectly, and I don't know why I didn't think of it first, but I'm in love with this guy. Let's talk about the sentiments. Let me pull a pointer over here. This one says, made with love and a little chaos. This says, this could be a sticky situation. Cropped till I dropped. We thought that went with this one so well. Hope you have a crafty day. Stick with me. Take a gander at this, and I crafted something special for you. I just think this guy is so cute, and he's gonna be fun to play with. So that set is Crafty Goose. Don't forget, we have free SVG. So if you wanna cut these guys out with your electronic cutting machine, you can get the free SVG from our website and use that to make all your crafting ideas happen on your electronic cutting machine. Now, as always, we do a giveaway, a $50 gift card giveaway, and you might have won from last month, so you want to check the description of this video to see if you're the winner. If you'd like to enter for this month, all you have to do is make a project using this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and that's your entry. We'll draw from the entries randomly and pick a new winner for next month. Hey, thank you guys so much for being part of our club. Stay safe in this weather if you're anywhere near us, and until next time, bye now.